It's me, Nathan. That's Sophia. Hi! That's my parents, Daddy and Mom. Dad,
For today's vlog, we're gonna go to
Manila! And that's Mom. Mom.
Hi guys.
So, we're going to Manila. It's still dark. The vision is... Look at this. Oh. See? Yes. Look. It's still dark, so we're just creating a short video. Yeah, guys. A short video. So, this is our car with those pillows and bags and extra bags and plenty of bags.
introduction kuya is only
Here.
short. You
Okay,
can stop it now and then.
so bye. Okay, bye.